Welcome to How to Earn Money from Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you the first method of how to earn money from Canva. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So, this method is about generating quiz videos. You can type here quiz video. So, as you see here, there will be a lot of free and pro templates about quiz videos. You can use any template and edit your quiz into it and download it and upload it onto social media websites. Like, we can use this template, we can change the question and the answers, and after we have done, we can upload this video on TikTok or as a short on YouTube. And surely you can get a lot of views using quiz videos. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that was it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.